si desentona un poco el corazón.
Y prefiero evitarme.
Also, today's Monday, I don't have the update for the COVID vaccines. I still haven't got it.